Left your wallet at home but need cash urgently? Or maybe you just want a more secure way to withdraw. If you don't know about cardless withdrawal, you're not alone. Today, we're getting cash from an ATM using only your phone with Intesa Sanpaolo Mobile. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Cardless withdrawal lets you generate a one-time code or QR code in the app, which you use at a compatible Intesa Sanpaolo ATM instead of your physical card. Option 1. SOS Cash Withdrawal. In the app, find the SOS Cash, or Cardless Withdrawal, feature. You set the amount you want to withdraw, within your daily limit, and the app generates a numeric code. You have a short time to use it at the ATM. Option 2. QR Code Withdrawal. Some ATMs support QR code withdrawal. In this case, the app generates a QR code. At the ATM, you select the QR withdrawal option and scan this code with the ATM scanner. And that leads to my crucial pro tip. Memorize the code, don't screenshot it. For security reasons, these codes are time sensitive. It's safer to memorize the numeric code or write it down on a piece of paper rather than taking a screenshot that could be vulnerable. So, just like that, your phone becomes your ATM card. A code in your pocket goes a long way for security and convenience. Now I'm curious, which method seems more convenient to you, the numeric code or the QR code? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.